The 26-page ruling, the judge said the DOJ's request was invalid and New Hampshire's voter registration database was not something the state can be forced to hand over. New Hampshire's Secretary of State reacting to this ruling today.
The staff in my office take the responsibility of protecting personal voter data very seriously. That was evident by the fact that we pushed back on the federal government when the U.S. Department of Justice requested this information, and I'm very pleased that the court decided in our favor on this.
Now, the White House argued it needed the names of voters to verify states are properly maintaining voter rolls. State officials filed a motion to dismiss, arguing that handing over voters' private data is a violation of state law. Politics professor Chris Galdieri says the argument the federal government is trying to make is that this will help them crack down on illegal elections, but he adds that there's no evidence that people who shouldn't be voting are voting in big enough numbers to have any sort of impact.
The president cannot regulate elections on a whim. If Congress were to pass a law, that would be one thing. But until and unless they do, the president just doesn't have a role, and the executive branch just doesn't have a role in how states conduct their elections.
Now, the Justice Department sued more than 24 other states over the same dispute. Several of those cases were dismissed or reached a settlement.